Wow! Oh my goodness, look at that!
Napakita mo na stay. No, kasi bata.
Bakit? Ilan taon mo yun? Ilan taon mo? Stay ako noon.
So today, we're going to watch Boyz II Men concert. Andito kami ngayon sa Turkish restaurant and after this, pupunta ako sa Wimbledon Stadium. I'm going to watch Boyz II Men concert. May nanlibre sa akin na friend ng kapatid ko, ni Ate Kay, si Dara. Yung nagpakain din sa amin sa Japanese restaurant. This place, look at that, so social, love the color, ganda. So everybody's here, enjoying their meal. Wow! Wow! This is really good, Ate Aisa. Thank you for introducing this to me. I'm gonna bring this in the Philippines. My goodness, this is crazy. Oh no! Favorite, oy, grabe, ang lakas mo. Alam mo si Dali, favorite ko si JJ.
JJ!
Ang lakas mo.
Ano to, sugar?
Yeah. Love it. Turkish tea, let's try.
A few moments later.
Yay! Ayun, Daddy, may mga pants na dito. Ayan, mga Barbie dolls daw. Gusto nila.
Sa damit, meron kami 20%.
Oh! Wow! So, we are here at Texco with Gladys and baby boy first. Okay, so, sale na dito plus may 20% discount pa kami dahil sa kanya. So, thank you. Look at the stuff that I got for the kids. S, age. Yan. Oh my gosh. Sobrang dami. Ang saya. Yeah. My favorite I got and the prime. This one. Almost 200 pounds. So that's 40,000 pesos. Because of your discount, thank you, Sis Gladys. I love you. And this is our Tesco shopping. Okay. Yung grabe ka kay Makwak. Grabe yung haul natin. Ang saya. Thank you guys. You're such a blessing. Sinabi nyo pa kasi na may 20 off. Hindi sana kami dadaan kung hindi mo sinabi na may 20 off kayo. Napabili tuloy tayo. Napabili. Okay guys, so dito nagpupunta pag may mga concert. Si Taylor Swift nag-concert dito. We're off to London Outlet and then Wembley for our Wembley Stadium for our concert, Boyz II Men concert.
Outlet.
Outlet? Oh! Mag-CR ka doon. Okay, bumili siya ng damit. Isusuot niya pa lang dahil naka-shorts lang siya. Nakakatawa talaga to. Wow, this is so cute. Nice. O yan, lahat ng outfit to. Hugo Boss. Okay, nagpabudol na naman tayo. So, I got Joe Malone and Tom Ford lipstick. May 10% discount pa to. It's not so bad. Company store yan. So, meron ito sa Pilipinas actually. Online nga lang. So, guys, we're going to watch Boyz II Men, Brian McKnight, and Damage today. Yay! And then, this is my... We're going to eat here at Itsu first. So, yung asawa ko marami nakakakilalang Pinoy. Hi! I'm our nurse friends namin. Oh my gosh! We're so excited to be here at the Wembley Arena. Diba? Oh. Laban. Uy! Dapat pala dito tayo nag-hotel, Daddy. Oh my gosh! Ang daming tao. Oh my God. Repeat this one.
moments later.
Baby, all through the night, I'm down on bended knees. Truly amazing. The concert, Brian McKnight.
Nagpipin na ng mga pera.
Meron?
Ano na si JJ? Wala pa. Nauna pa kami.
Hello. 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 Hello po. Kamusta?
Sorry, we're late.
Hello mga kababayan.
Welcome to my house.
Hoy, ani mo lasal. Mga nakalasal na to.
Blue Label?
Of course.
Ay, grabe.
Welcome. Bagong kasal ako, pre. Yan talaga.
Pag kumanta may ganyan.
Maganda yung nauna. Maganda yung nauna.
Pag kumanta may ganyan. Asan, asan?
May sayaw pa to!
Ito po, panlaban po talaga to sa mga fiesta. Sa fiesta po ng mga barangay. Kaya lang